Do you remember the days where we had to actually take our film from our cameras to the photo lab to have them developed? Well, if you're under 40, probably not. But if you're over 40, you probably have literally shoe boxes full of photos. What do you do with them now in the digital age? Well, Epson has come up with a fantastic solution for that. This is a high-end Epson FastFoto scanner. This is made for scanning lots of photos and documents. I literally have thousands of photos that I have to get to, and it would be great to make them digital so I can share them on places like Instagram and Facebook. And this little baby can. It's about the size of a toaster. It's got a straight paper pass-through on the device, so you don't have to worry about any photos getting curled up or anything like that. What makes this great for scanning lots of photos is that you can actually take a stack of photos, up to 30 at a time. Doesn't matter what size, stick them in the tray here, and it'll automatically scan these things at about 1 per second. It's that fast. The resolution is at 600 dots per inch, so you get high quality scans. And what I like is that it actually scans both sides. Do you remember in the old days, you might have written a little note on the back of the photo? Well, it'll have that for you as well. The nice thing is once you get it into the computer or Mac, you can go in and actually fix up any blemishes and make them picture perfect. Again, this is the Epson FastFoto photo scanner, a dream for those who scan in bulk. For more information, epson.ca.